Hello and welcome to today's tutorial on Nargisi Kofta curry. Let's get started. So we are following a traditional Indian recipe and also known as the classical Indian recipe. These are the ingredients that we will be using in this recipe. So once everything is ready, we start with the casing of the egg. So combine your minced meat with salt, garam masala, gram flour, which is your besan, nutmeg, green chili and mint. Mix well all these ingredients into the casing. Use water or oil on your hands to flatten the casing. This will ensure that the casing does not stick to your hands. Then place the egg at the center of the casing and wrap it around using the help of the casing, just like this. So basically you need to form big round balls of the minced meat. Inside will be the egg yolk. Then fry these koftas over medium heat. Fry them until they turn golden brown. Once they turn golden brown, take the koftas out of the oil and place them on a plate. Now for the kofta gravy, heat some oil in a medium pan. Add in some cumin seeds, bayleaf and green cardamon. Once the cumins start cracking, add in some chopped onions. Stir fry the onions until they turn golden brown. Add in ginger garlic paste. Then add the remaining spices into the gravy. And then add tomato puree into the gravy. This will bring little sweetness to the gravy. Then add cashew nut paste. And add little water just to set the consistency right. Once the gravy is ready, mix the koftas into the gravy gently without disturbing the casing. Cook the koftas into the gravy for about 3 to 5 minutes. The koftas are now set. We will serve it on a plate and start the decoration.